Yun nga mga katoka, so gusto ni Bella mag alphabet letter is, what is this? What letter is this? So, what letter is this? A, very good. Can you erase please? Can you erase please? Okay, thank you. And what letter is this? B, very good. Can you erase please? Can you erase please? Thank you. What letter is this? C, very good. Can you erase please? Erase please. Can you erase? Thank you. What letter is this? May lamgam. Okay na, okay na. What letter is this? D, very good. Can you erase please? Can you erase please? Okay, thank you. What letter? A, B, C, D, E. What letter is this? A, very good. Can you erase please? Very nice. What letter? A, B, C, D, E, F. What letter is this? F, very good. Can you erase please? Thank you. What letter? Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang po, wait lang po. Ito, what letter? Wait lang po. What letter is this? What letter is this? J, very good. Can you erase please? Very good talaga ang baby ko. Okay, all done. What letter is this? H, very good. Can you erase please? Erase po. Thank you. What letter is this? What letter is this? Bella. What letter is this? Bella. What letter is this? What letter is this? I, very good. I is for? Insect, very good. Can you erase please? Can you erase please? What letter? Ay. What? Tabi na yan. Akin na hindi. Hindi pa nga tayo tapos. Nasar mga katoka.